Don't be a stranger. Unraveling the warmth in English greetings. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very warm and friendly phrase you might have heard in English conversations. Don't be a stranger. This expression is a beautiful example of the nuanced way English speakers often convey feelings of friendship and openness. Stick around as we unfold the meaning, usage, and the warmth hidden in these words. At its core, "don't be a stranger" is a phrase used to tell someone to keep in touch and not to hesitate to visit or communicate. It's like saying, "let's not lose contact," or "feel free to drop by or reach out anytime." This expression carries an implicit message of friendship, care, and an open invitation to continue a relationship, whether it's new or long-standing. While the exact origin of the phrase is hard to pinpoint, it's deeply rooted in the English language as a casual yet heartfelt goodbye. It's often used at the end of a meeting or conversation, suggesting that the speaker values the relationship and wishes for it to continue. Usage can vary slightly depending on the context, but generally maintains the same friendly tone, whether in personal gatherings, during farewells, or even in professional settings with a casual touch. To better understand how to use "don't be a stranger," let's look at a few examples. After a wonderful dinner with friends, "Thanks for coming over. Don't be a stranger, all right?" Following a coffee meetup with a new acquaintance, "I had a great time today. Don't be a stranger. Let's do this again soon." At the end of a professional networking event, "It was great meeting you. Don't be a stranger. Feel free to reach out for any collaboration." These examples show how the phrase can seamlessly fit into various situations, always conveying a sense of openness and invitation. In English-speaking cultures, this phrase is more than just words. It's a reflection of the value placed on relationships and community. It's a way of expressing care and maintaining social bonds, highlighting the importance of staying connected and supporting each other. "Don't be a stranger" is a beautiful reminder of the warmth and connection humans seek with one another. It's a phrase that encourages ongoing communication and reinforces the bond between individuals. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this phrase with confidence. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying feelings and building relationships. Don't be a stranger to our channel either. We're here to help you navigate the fascinating world of English. See you in the next video.